If you're new to block printing, then we've got a great surprise for you. 24 colours, 10 of them new, including fluorescents and metallics, in the easy-to-use 75mm tube with a flip top. Block printing has never been easier. If you find it drying too quickly, just add a few drops of drying retarder, but everything washes up in water and is all non-toxic and safe for the environment. All Australian-made, vegan-friendly and not tested on animals, and we have the real colour actually printed on the label. Have another look at the Derivan Block Ink. You won't be disappointed. So why not go and check them out? There's a link in the description.